Yo, people, it's your boy Chin Limbs. Remember, you can't say Chin and forget the limbs. And if you don't add the limbs, you ain't saying it right. All right, I'm here, back here with my dog, Big Bird, back in full effect. Spread the word. All right, and you don't know again, we got another little session, another little challenge up for grabs. And man, remember yesterday, he might have took that one home.
I did take that one.
You might have took that one home because remember, I didn't get no sleep, but today I got sleep. Man's come with the energy, so today I'm winning.
I'm gonna take the day's one too.
All right then, let's go.
Let me show you what I set up for the man then.
All right.
This thing here now, we're gonna basically pass the rascal.
Pass the parcel, yeah.
See? So basically,
Boom.
boom. I send it to my man. He does it. He sends it back. That's
Yeah.
the first thing. We're gonna do 10 of those.
All right.
As soon as man come off that, come onto this thing here. Thing.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Easy, light work. I like this already. This is mine. I like it already.
Then boom. You know, so the squat thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
And with this thing here now, we up it 10 reps a piece every
Alright.
thing. No
Alright.
play.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Anyway, let's get straight into this because you know I got food on the way. So I got a yam food, big old Sunday, and I've got to win. Yeah, remember.
Well, my food cook up already. I had to do it myself, thing, but it cook up thing.
Ah, yeah, burn your dead food anyway. All right, let's go. All right. Let's go. What's this, 10, yeah?
Move back.
Ready, yeah? Yeah. Let's go.
Make sure your friend move straight to man.
Oh, don't worry, bro. Make sure you're catching it before it lick you in your face, innit?
Well, listen, if it lick you in your face, that means
Are
you're not
you
focused.
you even got it?
You ain't focusing.
Are you even got it?
This is twice.
Yeah. Come on.
Go, baby. Bro.
Come on.
I can see him giving up on this.
Are you mad?
It's not easy.
Are you mad? What we on?
This is 10.
All right. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. I think that was more than 10 still.
It might have been still,
might
but
have
it don't matter.
definitely was.
Thing.
All right. How many we do?
10.
All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And with this, we up it 5 every thing.
All right.
That was a bit easy still.
Come on.
Right, my team, you ready?
I'm ready, guys.
10 apiece.
Let's go.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Light work.
Then,
All right.
obviously, we go
Yeah.
again.
Again.
When you're finished with these, make sure you put them back so they're not in the way. You know what I'm saying?
Listen. Yeah. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Innit?
Cause sometimes I've got to worry, cause car. You know what I mean? Weights is all in the way and them thing there.
Let me start.
Can't work out right and them. Let me go, cuz.
All right. Are you ready? Go, baby. As soon as I throw it, let's go. Back, cuz. What's that? What sort of throw is that, cuz? Come on, man.
Cuz, I was the one who told you to throw
2. Come on. 3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5.
Go on, cuz.
Come on.
Don't give
6.
up. Don't give up.
I'm never. Give up where?
Just don't give up.
7. Come on. 8.
Yeah.
Come
Two
on.
more things.
9. Come on.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Bro. 10. Let's go.
Let's go.
Straight in.
Come on. 15 now, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, like, easy. This is 20 now, yeah?
This is 20 clip.
20 clip.
He's 20 clip.
Let's go.
Eh?
Let's go. 1, 2, 3,
Proper spots, guys.
4. I'm doing it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Little niggas keeping up good, Tara.
Hey,
He's keeping up good, isn't it?
hey,
You're
what was that? Hey, bro, come on.
No, you're alright.
No, come on. He knows. Yeah? Yeah, I've got this.
The little nigga's not bad, dude.
Ah, I've got this. All right, it's more than 10 now.
What's going on?
This?
15?
15?
Or 20?
We'll do 20. We'll do 20. Yeah? Let's go. Let's step it up. Come on. Let's make this thing, you get me? Because you know I've got things to do, so let's get this win already. I can feel it. I can feel victory.
You man, you know I haven't got this today.
Oi, oi.
I'll get the next one.
They know I've got this. I've got this. And the next one.
Right, you ready?
This one and the next one. Oh, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Ah, you're struggling, birdie.
No, sir.
Come on. You wanna give
Struggle
up?
where?
You wanna give up?
Cuz.
You got that towel behind you to throw it in, cuz.
No, sir.
Throw it in when you're ready.
That's just so I don't
Come on.
dirty up my head.
Come on.
See?
Come on. What's that? What's that?
I lost count.
9. Come on.
This is 10, yeah?
10. Yeah.
Alright.
Come on.
Focus.
11. Come on.
12.
Come on. Come on.
What was that?
13. Bro.
Yes, I'm finding it to you.
Bro, you gotta catch it, you know.
Cuz, what am I doing?
Bro, just catch the damn thing. Before I bust you in your face.
Cuz, nothing ain't busting me in my face, cuz.
Huh? So you just catch the damn thing. Yeah.
Cuz, just make sure you're finding it.
What's the way
Yeah.
Look at you now. Cheating. Bro.
I don't want to mash up no one on camera.
Hey. Could never mess up me. Could never be talking about me.
Cuz, listen.
Look,
All I'm saying
all you're saying is
is I don't want to mash up no one on camera.
Hey, listen.
See?
What you're talking about could never happen.
Did you man see that
Hey,
phone?
what you talking?
Did you man see that phone?
Listen, what you're talking about could never happen. Anyway, that must be about 20 by now.
20, yeah?
Yeah, that must be. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Remember the nigga likes to talk a lot, so
All right,
see?
what's that?
20.
20 on this. Yeah, 20 on this. Ready?
You sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait there, yeah. Come on. 30 now, yeah?
30 clips.
30 clip.
No more and no less. See?
All right.
My nigga,
Ready,
is you ready, cuz?
Got
Let's go.
this. Ready? 30 clip. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Proper squats, guys.
20. I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bro, stop talking about how I'm doing my thing.
Look, cousin, when you flying down the way, look, did you see that?
What are you talking about? Just mind yourself, innit? Yeah? I don't know what these little bitch niggas bitching about.
What is, who says getting
Stop
tired
the
now?
talking.
You see when you get tired, you throw down the weight like nobody's
No,
business.
listen, it's because man
See?
don't care. Man's got things to do. Now I need to get this W, and you're prolonging the thing. Yeah?
Ain't no one prolonging that thing.
Yeah?
I tell you, say this is mine today.
Aye.
Just like yesterday.
Aye. Not today. It was your day yesterday. Hey, okay. Alright, stop dancing like that. Yeah? Stop all of that. That's not the winner's victory.
Listen.
That's not the winner's victory. Not right now. Hey, you're not a winner. You got hey. Do that when you won. When you win something, you can lose.
Listen.
Yeah? Alright.
That's them little shilly skank. We don't do that when we go out and I dance. It's the shilly skank.
Alright,
See?
Alright, come on.
Yo!
Come on.
Hey, come. Let's go.
Let's go. What's this now? 30. Now count,
See?
bro. Count, because I lost count the last time. Yeah?
Alright.
Let's go. Come on.
Go.
Come on.
Boy.
1. Come on. 2. Come on. 3. 4. Come on. 5. Come on.
You man watch how you explain the thing. I watch how I'm
6. Come on. 7. Come on. No time for 16 hats because that ain't landed in your boat. 7. Come on.
I told you.
8. Come on.
If I'm fixing my hat, you relax.
9. Come on.
And you wait for me to fix my hat.
10. Come on.
Like I said, I don't want to smash up
11. Stop your talking.
nothing on camera.
Oh, mind it dropping your face. Come on.
Today or any
Come
other
on.
day.
Come on. What's that? Come on. 12. Wow, 13 now. Come on. Go.
Focus up, cuz.
14.
Focus
Come
up.
on. Come on. 15. Come on. 16. Come on. Come on.
Like one. Let's go.
17.
Strong.
Come on. Come on. 18.
Strong.
Come on. 19.
Like.
Come on.
Like.
20. Come on.
20.
10 more. Come on. 1. Come on.
Let's go, baby.
Light. Come on. 3. Alright. Come on.
You man could
4.
see his face.
5. Come on. 6.
Struggle.
Never. Struggling. This is dead high. Look at that. I'm happy about it.
You're not happy about that.
8. Come on.
I told you. Why you have to lie to him all the time?
Come on. 9. Come on.
Stop lying to him,
Come on.
huh?
10.
Give me the ball.
Come on. Let's go. 10. Come on. What's this now?
What? 30. 30. We done 20. So this is like 25. No, we done 20. This is the 30. 30.
Yeah?
You man, watch him close.
Hey, I do everything right. Ain't no one gonna watch me. Yeah? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! Yo! Woo! What you saying? What's this?
That one is creeping on the kid.
Creeping?
Yo.
Yeah? Alright.
What's this? 40 clip.
Fully clip, cuz. Wait.
Alright. No
Fully
clip.
clip.
No clip. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40, 50, 60,
You man, what's your squats now?
70, 80, 90, 20,
20 more.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30, 10 more.
1,
The key is
3,
going out.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Uh-huh.
8,
Let's go.
9,
What?
10.
Huh?
Woo! Woo! Yeah. Come on. Yeah. When you gonna give up? Next one.
Yo. No
Next
rest
one
for
is
the-
giving up.
No rest for the
Next
wicked.
one is giving up. I can feel it. You can feel it. Yeah? Give up, cuz. Yeah? There's no shame in it.
Cuz, feel what?
There's no shame in giving
Feel
up.
what?
You know? Oh, you can. Yeah?
Alright.
I feel the give up.
Alright.
Yeah?
Reckon man can.
What?
There's one for.
Yeah?
Come on, a minute.
Yeah?
Fuck
Hey.
it.
Just know that you're gonna lose.
Cuz man
Huh?
ain't losing nothing.
Ah. You're losing, cuz. Yeah? He knows this. Yeah? You see all that talk that my man like to do? Yeah?
And listen,
Yeah?
as you
I know why
may
you
know,
come here.
yeah,
Brenton
I
up.
got this in the bag.
Never.
This is light.
I don't care what you think.
Light.
I don't care how much chest you think you got.
You see that?
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
Fuck the chest of it.
Yeah?
We're not doing no chest.
Exactly.
all
So it's
about
not a chest thing today. So
One,
don't come out
2,
here with your
3,
big up chest.
4,
I'll
5.
poke that. You get me? All right.
Cuz, can we do this?
All right.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Let's go.
Cuz, and when you're finished with the weight,
Oh, yeah, finish
back
with
in the fucking thing.
Yeah.
You say the little niggas getting tired and all.
Right, who's getting tired first? I can do
You
this
know what I
every
mean?
day. How many we gotta do now?
Cuz, can we do the weights?
Can we do the damn thing?
Let's go.
Yeah? Make sure you count this time, innit? Because I don't like doing more and you're doing less.
Cuz, how the fuck
all
can
the
you
time.
do more
All
and
the
add
time.
less? Eh?
All the time.
Little nigga just talking to save his breath.
Come on.
Eh?
Save what? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Time.
What? What's
on.
this anyway? Who? No, I'm saying, what we going up to? 40.
Yeah. 3, 4.
Go. 5.
Come on. Come on. 90. Come
90.
on.
20.
Strong. Yeah.
That work.
That works. What's this one? 40.
You done 30 last time.
40 now, yeah?
It's the 40.
The 40.
Oh, Clark.
40, cuz.
Watch close.
Come on. Watch him. Count with him. Yeah? No less.
No less.
No less.
Right, you ready, yeah?
I'm ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Huh? Where you going, cuz? Yeah?
Cause I ain't going nowhere, cuz.
Yeah?
Your boy's right here.
Yeah? Look like you're walking off. Huh? Look like you're
bro.
scared.
Your boy's right here.
Yeah? Yeah?
Let's
Are
go.
we ready? Are you ready?
What's this?
50.
50 clip, yeah?
50.
Cuz, hold on. Before, tighten up your weight, cuz. Cause I don't want it to take no bullshit.
Listen. Waist tight. Yeah?
Straight in.
Yeah?
One.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nine, 50. Yo, the zone out was immense. Hey, listen, when you're talking about zone out, that's what we do. Yeah?
Madness.
That was a zone out moment, I ain't gonna lie. Woo! Yeah. 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 Woo! All right. This is definitely. Woo! All right. Yeah.
Listen. Thing yeah, ain't for them little weak man, them, you know.
Woo!
Thing yeah, it's not a joke. Anytime you man want to learn and sing,
All right.
right there with it.
Uh-huh.
Sing.
Uh-huh.
Every Ross Clark weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Sing.
All right. No itchy, no scratchy. Man, not to back off the thing, you get
Yeah,
me?
look at the lily,
Show them.
the lily chest.
Huh?
That's what we call the lily chest.
Hey.
Huh?
This is still chess.
Lily.
Yeah? You want chess?
Lily.
Yeah? You come see, man. Man developed his chess. Man got him the chess what he's got. Man showed him, put him through his paces. Yeah? All right.
Man, nigga, they know that's not true.
Hey, they know.
My guy, I've had this
They
chest
know.
since I was like, Ross Clark,
They
15.
They
See?
know.
I was unbeaten.
Hey,
Anyone who know that what that is,
hey.
yeah?
See
Your
this?
boy was unbeaten,
Hey,
and I went to Curly,
hey.
and I went to Eagle. My G, I had this from Quayback.
What's
Talking
this?
about?
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's
We
this?
don't cap bow yet.
Huh? Cat. Stop it, yeah? Stop the cat. Yeah?
Right, my guy.
No cat.
What's this?
What's this? Huh?
What we on?
This is a 50, isn't it?
50, yeah?
50!
All right, let's go.
Come on, 50.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's go.
No rest for the week.
All right, no rest for the wicked. The main. So that one there is going to be a 50. All right.
What's the name for?
I'm here, cuz. I'm here,
Sound
cuz.
like he was waiting a piece.
Huh?
Hmm?
Huh? I'm ready,
Ready,
cuz. I'm ready, cuz.
Move
Yeah?
over.
All right. All right.
Wait over, bro.
Come on.
Right.
Come on. You can't 10, I can't 10.
1, 2, 3, 4.
9, 10. Woo! Strong. 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 Woo! Let's go. Let's go. 50 on this. Young 50 for this. 50 on this. Yeah?
Straight in.
Yeah? Ready?
All right, let's go.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What did I tell you? Huh? What did I say? I'm taking this home today. Remember that. Yeah, chin bomber can't live. Yeah? All right. Where's your towel? Go get your towel. Here's your. Let me get it. Yo, that's this thing, no rude boy. Huh? Quitters out here. You get me? You know. I told you. My domain. Yeah? He quit. Let me tell you something, yeah? You see, yesterday, I told him I didn't get my sleep. Yeah, I didn't get my energy. But man, come here prepared. You see, when you come here prepared, mentally, physically, see what you can do? Yeah? Put man to shame. Yeah? Put back on your top, cuz.
He done. We was on 50. Couple more reps. Listen.
I could have gone all day.
Listen.
I could have went to 60.
You man saw how he was doing them. Getting it the swing and
come on, live.
He likes to put the swing. He likes to put the swing into things. You don't dealing with no swing.
Alright, listen. Man knows how to do it. A man's doing it correct. He's just trying to find fault anywhere he can. Anywhere he can to say man's cheating, he will choose to say man's cheating.
The man don't do the squats right. The man don't do this thing, bruv.
Man's done everything right, guys. Just admit you lost. Today, you take the L. Listen. I take that W, yeah? The winners, yeah? Remember, champion out here.
Every now and again.
I told you, I smelt victory.
Every now and again, I got to give him a one.
Why?
For the simple fact, I don't want the man to feel bad where he's coming in and he can't win. Can't win at all.
If you don't have to give me none. I take it. You see, man like me, I always take things, yeah?
You don't.
Because I took this. I just took this.
You don't take
bro, I just took this.
That's a lie. You lied to me again. Listen.
I took it, yeah? Remember that. Big bird, get back in your cage, yeah? That's where you man. That's where birds go.
Hey, listen, Beatrice, stop the fuck, yeah? Beatrice, listen. Today, I had a couple more reps and then nothing.
Listen, anyway. Yeah,
I done nothing.
I done nothing.
What now?
We're gonna come back again.
We're gonna come back again.
We might even come back with people this time.
It's like free.
Huh?
Free.
Maybe.
Could I ask you one? Could I ask you something?
Don't ask me nothing. Listen, let me talk to people.
Let's see if he lies or not. You see if it was working out in the gym. How many did you win?
Listen.
No. If we done
listen.
like a 8. How many did you win, Maggie?
Listen, anyway, we're not talking about that.
Wait, don't worry.
Listen, what's important is what's happening here and now. And what is I won. I took that W. So whatever happened then isn't happening now.
You see how happy the man is? This is why I've got to give him sometimes. Because he gets very happy.
Listen.
He gets very happy. You say he's speaking, I just be Big Bird.
Listen.
Little niggas in.
Hey, listen. You see, man like me, I always take them wins. Yeah, man gloated yesterday, but I knew I was gonna come back. Yeah, fighting like a champion, and that's what I did. And he can't handle it. But anyway, people, like I said,
no, wait. Before because he said I can't handle it. But dig this. Remember, I'm not in full effect.
But you said you was coming back yesterday. What happened yesterday?
So hold on. If I said I was coming back, what does that mean? I'm in full effect or I'm coming back?
But
What
you
does that
won
mean?
yesterday.
What does it mean?
Anyway,
Does it mean I'm in full effect?
And we
or
don't want to
I'm
hear your
coming back?
excuses.
Now wait a minute.
We don't want to hear no excuses.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Why
Anyway.
are you so happy? And I'm
Hey,
in
listen,
full
listen.
effect?
Why can't I be happy, bro?
No, you can.
Let
You're
me
right.
be
You're
happy,
right.
guys. Huh? Let me be happy.
You're right.
guys.
He's right.
All right.
He's right.
All right. Anyway, people, yeah. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. All right. And it's your boy, Chin Lims. Remember, you can't say chin and forget the limbs. And if you don't add the limbs, you ain't saying it right. All right. My dog, Big Bird.
Back in full effect real soon.
All right.
Same.
Remember, people, get right or get left. Because if you don't get right,
then I must get bomb left.
all
See
right.
me I say?
Mhm.
Oh.